Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm doing one of those rare unboxings. I typically don't enjoy doing them all that often, but honestly, the reason I'm doing this is because, I know what I ordered, but I don't know why it's in such a large box. So I'm going to open it on video because my reaction will be genuine. So let's get the camera adjusted like that. Okay. Now we can see my first reaction. Oh, it's packing tape. Okay, the item I ordered, but there's also a box in here too. What? I don't remember ordering. Huh. They sent me more protein powder. And I don't remember ordering protein powder. That's why it weighed so much. I'll have to check my billing because I didn't remember ordering a second box. So this is what I ordered. No wonder it weighed so much. Okay, this is what I wanted to have come. I guess I got a bonus. And I'll go ahead and keep them, but it is a neck gaiter with a drawstring in the back. So let's get this on. Let's see, so it's got to be in the back. Now I went with green because my I don't know if you noticed, but my winter cold weather fleece is green, so I wanted to match. So I'm out in the woods, I can wear this. So when you're wow, it really muffles your voice. So that's the drawstring, which I just pull tight. So pull it off. Tuck this underneath. How that looks. That doesn't look too bad. So it does seriously muffles my voice though, which I don't know. I can't really. Filming's gonna be difficult, but there you go. So keep your neck warm. And it will also, if you pull it up above, you can keep your ears warm. And you look like a ninja doing it. Cool. It's not bad at all. It has a really nice feel to it too. give you some stats here real quick. So I wrote some stats down. It's the colors it comes in. Naturally, this is green. It has black, green, blue, coffee, gray, milk white, purple, and rose red. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex, and it's 70 grams or 2.4 ounces. And from the feel, it feels really nice. I mean, it doesn't, it's not itchy at all. Not at all, actually. I mean, I have a big head and it fits fine. One Amazon review I read, the guy said, "Well, it doesn't stay on unless you pull the drawstring." Well, that's what the drawstring is for. Drawstring is to help you cinch it up so it doesn't fall off, or you can keep it loose. If you're wearing it for social distancing, I mean, or not social distancing. If you're in my state, we're required to wear face coverings when we're at the store. So when you go in the grocery store, you know, cover up your face while you're shopping. And yeah, so I think this would be nice for, you know, the winter months are coming up. They'll be on us like a spider monkey, so it's gonna get cold. So if you get an outdoorsy friend, one of these might be nice. Just, you know, see what color jacket they have, and you can match. You know, if they have a black jacket, you can get a black one, match your coat. Although green and black go really well together, so you know, if you just anyone who works outside and has to, my buddy works construction, and he's a foreman, I think foreman, and he, you know, everyone at his job site has to wear face coverings, so you wear this while you're working. It does muffle your voice though, but you know, we're supposed to keep it covered. So far, you know, first impression, I like it. So they're $9.99. If you're a Prime member, I think I paid $10.99. I think I bucked for tax, but you know, and these would make it's mid. What's today's date? I forgot to look that up. It's October 19th. I mean, the holidays are coming around the corner, so this would make a great Christmas gift. Everyone, you know, anyone who loves the outdoors. So you'll probably see me wearing this when it gets cold out and it's not raining, so I can get out and film. But cool. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll link the description down below, so you can go check this out if you want. If you're interested. We'll catch you in the next one.